We talked about the profile and DMs in Instagram, how to sell our art or how to promote our art. And this time I want to talk to you about the frequency of your posts on Instagram and also the content type. How much does it matter really? I feel like sometimes Instagram algorithm is playing with us because for the past year they pushed reels so much that we were forced to create reels every day and share them even though we didn't feel comfortable about sharing a video. But now what they're doing is like, oh, sorry, we pushed too much. Now let's go back to photos. And now they are pushing more carousel posts or photos. Make up your mind, Instagram. We need to be aware of these changes. I highly recommend you to use both content, reels and carousels, and share them equally. Let's say 3 days a week you can share carousels and 2 days a week you can share reels. And when it comes to content ideas, your reels or your content should either be informative or surprising or fun. These 3 types of content always works. Think about a subject, for example, oil painting, right? Try to find 5 informative reels ideas about oil painting. Think about what can be surprising about oil painting, what other people might not know, some facts. And for the fun part, you can always create these funny scripts from the reels, saved audios, and try to create a reel like that. But at the same time, don't forget, if you are an influencer, if you are a teacher, for example, art teacher, you can also add some motivational posts as well. Because Instagram works as a search engine, you need to put your keywords not only in your profile name, your name, but also in the description of each post. This is the only way the algorithm will know what your post is about so that it can push it forward. Don't just say what is in the post in your description part. Also talk to your audience, talk to your followers. Try to engage them with some conversations in the comment section. If people comment like, oh, I love your artwork, keep up the good work, just don't respond thank you. Also say something like, what else would you like to see on this account? How else can I help you, do you think? Or you can even check out their profile and tell them how you feel about their art. Give some free review, I don't know. And if you like their art, you can also comment on that too. Definitely responding to your comments and your messages must be a priority of yours on Instagram. Today's task is to create 1 reel and 1 carousel post and share it. Well, if you don't know how to create these carousel posts, there are so many templates on Canva. I create all my carousel posts on Canva and I love their templates. So if you want to use it, I'm leaving the link down below. Good luck with that, and I will see you tomorrow in our next day of our challenge.